Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can post all notification on Instagram. It's very easy. Go to your profile and go to the settings and activity by tap three stripe at the top of your screen on Instagram app. And here you can try to search a notification. You can tap it in notification management. Here you can try to post all by enable here, so you won't get push notification, but you will be able to see new notification when you open Instagrams. So you can post by 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and maximum is 8 hours. And also you can enable the quiet mode here by day, by start time and end time. You can enable it and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.